Okay, so last time I talked about doing recipes from Korean dramas that I've watched, from Korean dramas that I've liked, and then bringing those recipes over on the channel and then veganizing it. And so last time we did something from Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. This time it's not really a drama per se. It's I guess it's like a travel documentary. I don't know if any of you have watched Hungry and Harry, which is with Rain, the singer, and his comedian friend Rong Chul. And for those of you who really like kind of like travel type style, it's not really a documentary because it's between two friends, so it's a little bit like Motorcycle Diaries as well. And they just take you throughout Korea, which on motorbikes, which is great. And it was such a spectacular series to watch because there was plenty of food, there's plenty of really cool scenery, and the dynamic of those two just really work. And so I had seen Rain grill like a Korean style rice ball, so it's very similar to like an onigiri, Korean style rice ball on the show. And so I thought that I would just show you a really easy style Korean rice ball because they seem to have it all the time, and you can stick it into your lunch bag, your kid's lunch bag, and it's just really easy to do, and you can fill it with vegetables and all of that really good stuff. Very, very easy to make. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So I am making two different kinds of rice balls today, and it's about 1 cup of rice. And I always try to soak it a couple hours ahead of time just to get rid of some of the inorganic arsenic. I know it's a pain to do, but it's definitely good practice if you are going to cook rice. So you all can see this is actually a short grain type rice, so it's a little bit more like sushi rice. And it's a little bit more sticky when you cook it, so that's why it's better to use this because it helps the rice balls stick together. We will be adding some sesame oil to the rice later, but to me, you don't really need to make this overly greasy. So I'm just going to cook this with a little bit of water just until the vegetables soften.
So this is actually a piece of seaweed that I've roasted. If you can get one of those, like the pre-roasted kind that they put a little bit of sesame oil in and that they have salted, those ones are extra nice. But if you can't find that, we'll do this. I'm going to add in a little bit of sesame, a little bit of salt, and then that'll be rice ball number 1. And I'll just add the vegetable mix to that after, and then we'll make rice ball number 2. This one actually looks much cuter, but I don't think I need to tell anybody this, but you can put in, really whatever you want in there. Sometimes people put in, like some protein, some ham, like vegan ham or something like that. But it's really as you like. I think, try the originals first and see how you like the flavor. And then later on you can, probably like dress it a little bit as well. Like have a little, sauce other than sesame oil. And these are just really cute to eat. They're kind of like a hand grab and go type food. I see them in picnics a lot. So these are really fun to bring that way. And then I think I did try freezing it, and you just have to kind of re-steam it though until everything is soft enough. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this really easy, really fun recipe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye.